Hello guys, good morning ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Satria Ismoyjati. I am from Faculty of Design and Creative Art, Mercubuana University. My major is Visual Communication Design. Here I will briefly present the material that I have observed before about visual literacy. But first, I will explain what is visual literacy. Visual literacy is the ability to interpret, negotiate, and interpret information present in the form of image, expanding the meaning of literacy, which generally means interpretation of written or print text. Visual literacy. Visual literacy, the ability to recognize and understand ideas conveyed through visible action or image. Visual literacy, the ability to see, understand, and ultimately communicate visually. 18 of all information transmit to our brain is visual. People remember 18% of what they see, but only 20 of what they read. Understanding graph. A graph is titled with the topic of information it provides and contain a key that categorizes the display information. Bar graph, showing comparison between quantities and can expand expression to sets of numbers relating to the same topic. And example bar graph. Line graph, showing how something changes over time. Points are connected by lines. Example line graph. The first residents of Utah were Native American hunter and centuries later other group or Native American moved into the area including the Ute. From what then was named to Spanish missionary the area 107,076, but when James Blake and Jedidiah Swim about 50 years later. They established trading posts and the Stephen trade in 180,047. The moment began the Arif Lake, and by 180,050 about 400 moment had established the state. They continued to prosper, and today Mormons make up almost 70% of Utah population. Analyzing the read the PSEC. The look at the accompanying visual information and answer the question. Read the answer the question below. Check your understanding when you finish it. Number 1, how far is Earth from the sun? 2, which planet is close to the sun? Right. 3, what the 3 scientists explaining the information given in the graph. In example, analyzing graph. Understanding chart. Table kind of chart that use row and column to provide data about topic. The information can be easily compared. Example table. The table shows how the price of the Model T Ford is set from the years 19011 to 10915. This help reader better understand just now after the Model T became the year when Henry Ford introduced the car in 198. P-car. Identifying the part of a wall and its part relative size. Example P-car. Each category has its selection of the circle and label which number of people who like its type the best. X-rays. Major source of ocean population. Purple 40% arrive from land. Orange 15% shipping. Blue offshore oil production 2%. Pink dumping of ocean 10%. And green air population 33%. Understanding maps. Maps is often use informational text to give the reader deeper understanding of the setting where of the topic place. Text take place. Example understanding maps. And timeline. Timeline a visual representation of when events have take place. Example timeline. And understanding illustration. Photos or illustration add treat about information that might explain more fully the reading. Example illustration. Can you help me before the heading and subheading? Illustration image that space of information and logo. I think that enough, and thank you very much your great station.